The Markers panel in Adobe Premiere Pro is a useful tool for adding, managing, and navigating markers in your timeline and clips. Here's what it does. 1. Add markers. You can add markers to specific points in your timeline or clips to note important points, sync points, or areas that need further editing. 2. Navigate markers. The panel allows you to easily navigate between markers. You can jump to the next or previous marker in your sequence or clip. 3. Organize and manage markers. You can organize markers with comments, colors, and durations. This helps you categorize and keep track of different types of notes. 4. Marker information. You can add detailed information to each marker, such as comments, notes, and even specific to-do items. 5. Search markers. The panel provides a search function to quickly find markers based on the information you've added. The Markers panel is an efficient way to keep your editing process organized and streamlined, making it easier to manage complex projects.